Having plants and flowers in my space makes me feel very calm and zen. Deep in their roots, all flowers keep the light. Nature is trying very hard to make us succeed, but nature does not depend on us. The sky lovingly smiles on the earth and her children. Nature teaches more than she preaches. When I have a terrible need of, shall I say the word, religion? Don't knock the weather. 9/10 of the people couldn't start a conversation if it didn't change once in a while. I perhaps owe having become a painter to flowers. The sea has neither meaning nor pity. There is no gardening without humility.